I got like 3 things to do today. I'm gonna knock this grass out, put the other solar panel on, covering up dips where the land was low at. We done went hard out here. Woo-hoo. All right, y'all. First, we gonna work on knocking this grass out because it's at the entrance, and I'm gonna just work on getting that knocked out so I can pull in and get everything squared away so I don't have to backtrack. And I don't have that much time. Let's get it. I'm gonna have to spray myself with some off. We'll fall in that thing. I should probably lift it up and then go over it twice, but I don't want to. I'm gonna just go slow. Little residential lawnmower. Ain't gonna cut it out here. There we go. All right, because that's got to go back in the car. All right. Bug clear lawn insect killer. I don't know exactly how much to put, but we're gonna put it till it feel right. Yeah, it's dropping pretty good. First chore checked off the list. All right, y'all. I think I'm gonna start by taking this bad boy off. Drop these. Let's work on these panels. I'm gonna move this first one, unscrew it, move it over, get it sucked up pretty nice and tight to the other one, and maybe put another one on, then cut that off over there. Put the other solar panel on. Job number 2 will be done. Put a charge on these batteries. On to our second project to get knocked out. Let's get started. right. That's good. All right, y'all. So check it out. I got that panel moved from here, and they are on there. Man, that sail right there don't look too good, though. Woo, that's a lot. That's ugly. Let me show y'all where we went wrong. We didn't square this support up with the support on the end. I told y'all we were amateurs, man, but we gonna get it done, period. Nice breeze. Ain't no trees out here, y'all. Definitely gonna have to plant some. Damn, that's ugly. That is a pretty ugly, but it's gonna work. It'll be fine. Yeah, that'll be fine. Man, look, I had to stop what I was doing yesterday. It was hot and I had a few things to go do. Had to go get the kids, but I'm back this morning and look who decided to show up. Hey, Jack, say what's up to the people, man. So I'm about to continue to work. Let me let y'all know something. This right here, this is a power station. Our first one I reached out to, they sent this bad boy out by Opus. Man, it's been coming in handy. I'm finna hook it up and give it a charge with the solar power because it's much needed. But yeah, this came in clutch. All right, y'all, so I have my MC4 connections. I'm about to connect it to this adapter to run it into the good old Opus. The panels are actually 240 watts each. So without any real sun this morning and the cloud cover, hopefully from them two, I can get about a solid 300 because panels typically run 70 to 80% of what they're rated to pull in. And these are dirty and they're older. Y'all know I picked them up for a little and that. So they were, and what I mean by little and nothing is they were $20 a piece. So again, we'll see what this thing comes up with. Plugging the Opus in because I was at 56%. And then let's just let this thing run and grab some free power while we here. All right, I'm gonna move this over for now. Put it in place. This is looking like it's gonna line up. Perfectly fine. So I'm gonna end up taking that one off and fixing it. If I could pull it all forward, that'll work. 5. And basically all I'm doing is, for the size I'm using, I count 4 bigs down, big holes down, and then wherever that next little one is, I just clip the end of the metal, because it's thin. Then I clip the other end of the metal. Take my pliers and bang till they break. And that's it. I'm done with that. Swimwear. All right, it's pretty hot out here, but let me show y'all what we looking like. Yeah. Except for this one that is messed up, which I'm gonna fix because the whole thing just needs to be slid up. So I'm going to unbolt it and slide it down, unbolt it down there, slide it down. It'll make it even because you could see where we go wrong. Finally done. It's gonna work for us. That's about 1,200 watts of power. We're gonna build a solar shed, and those panels will power all of our batteries and everything else that we connect to it. So I'm glad to be done with that. Task 2, done dilly. All right. Woo. All right, that's good. All right, y'all. Woo, it's about break time, but first I'm gonna show y'all what I've been working on. This area, just been working on getting that thing dug up, the rough parts dug up so that I can flatten it later. So basically I'm just leveling it, using the box blade to kind of make everything right. So I got about 100,000 more passes to make it right, but give y'all another quick pan of the work area. And yeah, filling in, you can see some of the dirt over there, some of the dirt's back behind the shed, and then the dirt over there I'm gonna fill in here too. So yeah, just getting everything level, getting ready to build. All right, break time. Excuse me, Jack. Man, I have been going hard, taking dirt, distributing it back behind that cattle shed, and we'll walk this out just a little bit. It is dusty, y'all. Man. Anyway, I got all this flattened out. There was a lot of holes and dips and gopher holes and all kinds of stuff. So got that flattened out. It's looking pretty dope, actually. Probably got a little bit more work to do on it. We are probably gonna be out here this coming weekend getting our film on. So we gonna work. Homestead Homies, we helping each other go hard. Check the link in the description. And yeah, man, I'm finna get out of here, go get something to eat. We gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.